Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be doing a product review on this machine I brought off of Amazon. It's a two-tier food steamer. And it's a nice size. It's a nice size for your counter space, I guess. So let's get into the boxing. And no, this is not a paid review. I'm just reviewing this for y'all because in my memberships, I will be doing unboxing and product reviews on different things. So, yeah, I just wanted to test this out along with you. I do have a food steamer, which is a 3-tier and it is much larger. But this one right here is small and it will fit right on your counter to make space, especially if you have shortage in counter space. So let's get into it. I am going to take this out of the package and go over a few things and pieces. So the base is pretty small, but it's good. It's cool, and it's very sturdy. Then you have the lid, and then you have the bowl one, and then two you just stack on top of each other as you see, and then put the top on. Voila. Actually, I must say it's not that small. It's kind of a nice size. Now, if you have a large family, you probably would want to use the larger size steamer like the one I have. But this is perfect. So before use, it says they recommend you run the machine for 30 minutes. So I'm going to fill it up to the line that you see, the max. Probably don't need to do that much, but I am. And we're going to let it run that 30 minutes before I put my veggies in. Now, of course, I washed out the lid and the bowls and all that stuff. You must wash before use, okay? And I wiped out the dust from the box and wrapping inside the unit here. So here I'm about to go ahead and plug it in and let it do its thing. And I'm going to place the baskets on top and then we're going to let it run for 30 minutes. It is most definitely starting to steam up. Sorry, y'all. I'm hungry, eating on some carrots. So it said, do this for 30 minutes. Let it steam out for 30 minutes for the first before using. So that's what we're doing. I'll be back. Alright guys, so I went ahead and added the green beans, carrots, and broccoli in there, and we are going to set this. It's set to do like 12, 13 minutes, so I'll be back. Alright y'all, let's see what we got. Woo! Let's see what we got, y'all. It's time to mix some butter sauce, y'all. Y'all hear the crunch? Well, steamer works. That's my review. There you have it. I made some butter sauce, poured it on top, and it was delicious. I bought this from Amazon for about $25, like back in June. Great investment, I must say. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you all, and leave comments in the bottom. If you have any questions, let me know. As I always say, I love you, stay blessed, and peace out. Later.